As we get to the end of the half term, I wanted to take the opportunity to share some updates with you. However, more importantly, I wanted to take the opportunity to thank you for your support, understanding and cooperation over that time. The strength of a family is seen at times of adversity, and that has certainly been true of the Craven family over those weeks. As it is the half-term holiday next week, I wanted to let you know that the school will not be setting work for learners during that time. The school will also not be contacting you unless we have a very good reason to do so. It's a holiday, and you deserve a break from school and from schoolwork. However, the school will continue to be there for our families if needed at any time. You are more than welcome to contact us by email and we'll do what we can to help. Please also take the time to read the distance learning page on our website, where you'll see lots of information about different areas. During the half-term break, the school will continue to provide care for the children of key workers and vulnerable learners. If you are a key worker and require a place for your child in that care provision, we ask that you complete the Conwy online form to ensure eligibility. Normally, at the end of a half term, I would take some time to reflect on the experiences, opportunities and successes of the school during that time. It's true to say that the last half term has been very different. However, I still look back on a half term of progress and development in challenging circumstances. And with that in mind, I would like to take the opportunity to thank the school staff for their hard work, dedication and commitment. They have been exceptional. Thank you also to the parents, families and friends of the school for your support and understanding during that time. Finally, and most importantly, a message to the young people, the Ysgol y Craven learners. As a school, we fully understand and accept the reasons why schools are closed at this time. But it's also true to say that we miss you greatly and we are looking forward to welcoming you back to school when circumstances allow. However, until that time, please continue to look after yourselves and your families, and more than anything, please stay safe.